How to recover disappearing messages on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to retrieve messages that have disappeared in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Tap on the three dots at the top right. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Privacy. From there, scroll down and tap on Default Message Timer. Make sure it is set to off so new messages do not automatically disappear going forward. After that, go back to the chat where the messages disappeared. In the next step, tap on the contact name or group name at the top to open the chat info page. From there, check if disappearing messages is turned on. If it is, tap on it and turn it off. Once done, go back to the chat and check if your messages are still visible. Following this, keep in mind that once a disappearing message has been deleted, it cannot be fully recovered. However, you can check your WhatsApp backup. From here, uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it from the Play Store. At this stage, when prompted when logging in, tap on Restore to restore your chat history from your most recent backup. Once completed, check if the disappeared messages have been restored from the backup. Keep in mind, this only works if the messages were backed up before they disappeared. If they were never backed up, they cannot be recovered. Finally, to prevent this from happening again, go back to Privacy, tap on Default Message Timer, and make sure it is set to off across all your chats. And that's it. If this guide helped you recover disappearing messages on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.